Hey guys, Levinrad over here, and I'm in Port St. Lucie, Florida, in front of a house. It's going to be a perfect fix and flip. I actually got this one from a wholesaler. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, so we're inside the house. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. Makes a perfect fix and flip basically because of the size and also because what we can sell these houses for, right? So in this case, I bought this house for $105,000 from a wholesaler, and ARV, the repair value in this neighborhood is probably about $175, $180. So I'm figuring that I can probably keep the tile floor because it's all new. In the bedrooms, I'll probably switch the carpet for laminate. And in the kitchen, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put brand new kitchen cabinets, new countertops, stainless steel appliances, and I'm also going to remodel both bathrooms. So when I'm said and done, I wouldn't be surprised if I can list it at around $184,900. Even if my whole interior repair cost me $20,000, $25,000, I should still be able to make a nice number, maybe $40,000 to $50,000 on this house. So fixing and flipping is a great way to make cash, especially in a hot market like this. And if you want to learn how to fix and flip, I've got a bunch of ways to show you how to do it. So make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. I try to put a video out once a week teaching you guys about fixing and flipping, wholesaling, and buying and holding rental properties. If you like this video, please feel free to share it, and I'll see you on the next one.